So far we have talked about queries in GraphQL. Now we would like to create new mutations in GraphQL. So we have read the data in GraphQL. Now I'm going to show you how to create records in GraphQL. Now we're going to focus on the writing side, write data. If you are working with REST, if you have a REST background, in REST you have to send the post, put or delete endpoint to mutate the data. So I'm going to go open the docs. And here is a root query type. I'm going to open the GraphQL Hub Mutation API. What you can do, there is only one field here. Get rid of these variables. So first of all, we need to create a new mutation. Create new record. That's it. And it will accept a variable. Here the name of the field is key value, set value. It will take input, and input should be, I will provide the input here. First of all, I need to define the input variable. Here you can see that the type of the input variable is set value for key input. So I'm going to use the same here, set value for key input, and I'm going to make it to required. Incredible. Now you got the warning message. So we need to provide this variable first. Input, incredible. What you can do, what you can provide, I'm going to open this type. You can provide ID, value, and client mutation ID. So I'm going to provide the ID here. I'm going to provide random ID. You can also provide value. Oops, we need to provide the value. Incredible. This is new hacker news item record. That's it. You can also provide client mutation ID. I'm going to provide random client mutation ID. Now here we need to tell the GraphQL, I want to fetch client ID in the response. I also want to see my item in the response. So item, let me show you. The return type is set key value. Here we have the item and the client mutation ID. What is inside the key value item? There are two properties, ID and the value. So I need to select the subfield ID and the value. So I'm going to execute this mutation. Incredible. A mutation has created successfully. Here we have the record, a newly created. This is the value. This is my new hacker news item. So in this way, you can write data or you can create mutation in GraphQL.